Ain't think that I would better my life. They ain't think that I would get this shit right. Done trapping, I ain't into the jug. Chose rapping, I ain't sipping no more. If it's sad, they come and show me what's up. Last nigga try, I caught him a slug. Summer nights, I was done off the drugs. Free saying that he had caught him a hit. I've sniffed that little nigga a bit.
Yo, man, it's your boy, motherfucking Snagger, man. Back on the video, YouTube, man. You already know we posting bangers all 2019, 20, my niggas. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all. Bro, we're gonna hit 1K this year, bro. I promise you that, bro. You know what I'm saying? If I don't hit 1K, bro, I don't know what is going on, y'all. Y'all need to like the video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, bro. And bro, support the man, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? The people who don't fuck with me now, when I blow up, bro, on some dumb shit, bro, don't come at me, bro. You know what I'm saying? I know there's a lot of cussing in this video, so yeah. But I got some heat for y'all young boys. I'm gonna show y'all some heat, bro. I know y'all gonna be mad, bro, because some of y'all niggas couldn't get the shit because, you know, it started out very quick. I'm sorry that y'all couldn't cop the shoe in there. You know, I'm grateful for what I get, so yeah, man. Hey, bro, we grinding to the 500 subscribers, man. You know what I'm saying, bro? Shout out to my boy Lasco. Shout out to my boy Neon. Shout out to my boy Des. Shout out to my man Icy. Shout out to my man Gordo. Y'all know who y'all are, who support me, who don't fuck with me. I don't give a fuck, cause, you know, we all grind out here, you know what I'm saying, bro? Hey, y'all, I'm probably gonna be making a crew. I don't know if I should be a leader or not, but I'll make a crew, bro. So, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all this shit right now. Let's go. Peace out, my guy. Yeah. Got the box right here, you know, chilling, man, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm about to, I had to take the address stuff, cause y'all niggas be weird, bro, on the internet, bro. Y'all like to go to a nigga house, D-Docs, all that extra shit, bro. So, yeah, I'm gonna open the box right now. So, I got one hand, so it's gonna be kind of hard, so don't try to laugh at me shit. So, how I cut this box and shit, man. So, yeah, so, right there, my nigga. Got the box real quick. You know what I'm saying? Got some heat. Got some heat for y'all young boys. Y'all don't think I got this shit. Let me pull it out real quick, that lamp. Hate being tall, bro. Oh, God. Fuck the box, man. You don't know what I'm saying, man. Yeah, bro. Right here. The heat is right here, bro. I know y'all hear the... I'm just playing. Got the heat right here for the young boys, man. So, yeah. You know, we got the Jordan logo right there, red logo, you know. This is like a silver box, I guess. Yes. I'll show you my size. You already know. Size 13, Air Jordan 14 Retro, white and black, varsity red, black, varsity Rico Nord, Manitoba, you know, retail 190, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I showed y'all my size and, you know, shit like that, and retail where I got it from. So yeah, so I got the heat right here, man. The Air Jordans 14s, Candy Canes, bro. Yeah, I know, bro. Like, I know people mad, bro. Like, these shoes sold out super quick, cuz, you know what I'm saying? Yes, bro. Yes, I got them, bro. Yes, I did, bro. This is like my first pair of 14s, man. You know what I'm saying? It's something light, bro. I heard these is like very, very comfortable. You know what I'm saying? In person, it look much better than on the picture, you know? So, yeah, bro. I got the tab right here, you know what I'm saying, man? You know, a Jordan tab, you know, it's red and black, you know what I'm saying? And I got the materials is so comfortable. See, like it's so, I bet it's comfortable as hell. Got the carbon fiber right there, you know what I'm saying? It's smooth, man. Nothing on the bottom really, it's just white, you know, with the Jordan sign on there, really, you know. Got the Jordan something right there, cuz got the 23 back, Jordan right there, you know. And yeah, that's really it though. And I think a little history, I don't know if I'm right, y'all, so don't get mad at me. I think Jordan hit one of his game winners in these shoes. So yeah, this is really special to me because this is Jordan's like my favorite basketball player except for LeBron. So and that's really it, y'all. That's the review of the shoe, man. So yeah, bro. That's really it, man. Candy Cane 14s, man. All dubs, you know. If y'all think the shoe is fire, drop dubs, you know what I'm saying? Drop W's in the chat, man. So yeah, man. Right on, man, for the, you know, tuning in, you know, showing a little review of my shoes, man. Because that's the thing I like to do, show them shoes reviews and stuff like that. Because that's, like, my favorite topic and my hobby, buying shoes and stuff. But, yeah, man, so, but y'all like the video, like I said. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know what I'm saying? Drop a comment, drop a like, share the video to all y'all friends, you know what I'm saying? And that's really going to be it for y'all young boys, you know what I'm saying? So, let's get it, let's go. Peace out, y'all. Let's get it, man. Second game, we out this bitch. Let's go.